Hello everyone! The VerticaPy team is happy to work on creating a series of high-quality videos that will help you to understand everything related to data science. Each week, we will be releasing 1 to 2 videos covering the different subparts of a data science cycle. You can be like, what will be so different compared to the others? First, it's free. And what about bringing some real experience? Speaking about the theoretical part, okay, but also showing real use cases. You will demystify all the fuzzy words. Machine learning, big data, AUC, that's a good deal, right? You will learn about the different correlation functions, how to detect outliers, understanding linear regression, and many other topics. We will give you many tips to make your data science project successful. For our first video, we decided to speak about correlation and dependencies. You probably know Pearson coefficient, but what about the others like Kendall or Cramer's V? Do you know the risk of using correlation functions? To give you a quick idea on the dangers of correlations, I took with me some sunscreens. Do you know that sunscreen sales are highly correlated with a skin cancer? If I take this sentence out of context, I can have a reaction like, ugh. Sunscreens are killing us. The reality is different, and we all know that during summers, more people are exposed to the sun, and at the time many want to protect themselves from it. The real cause is the sun, and it's dangerous to use numbers out of the context. If you want to know more, click on the link in the post.